Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Nissan Rogue, a compact SUV that continues to evolve in all the right ways. If you're in the market for a practical, stylish, and tech-savvy crossover, the 2025 Rogue might just check all the boxes. At first glance, the 2025 Rogue carries over much of the design language from the previous model, but with a few subtle upgrades. The front grille is now more refined, and the updated LED headlamps give it a sharper, more modern look. The body lines are clean and confident, giving the Rogue a sleek, upscale vibe that fits right in with today's design trends. You can tell Nissan wanted this model to stand out without going overboard, and they've definitely struck a nice balance. Under the hood, the Rogue continues with its 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, delivering around 201 horsepower and 225 pounds-feet of torque. It's paired with a continuously variable transmission, which some drivers love for its smoothness. While it's not the fastest SUV out there, it does offer enough pep for city driving and highway cruising. The fuel economy is a strong selling point, with EPA estimates hovering around 30 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. Impressive numbers for this segment. Inside, the Rogue is all about comfort and tech. Nissan has clearly put effort into refining the interior, and it shows. Soft touch materials, updated seat designs, and a quiet cabin make for a relaxing ride. One of the highlights is the upgraded infotainment system. The 2025 Rogue offers a 12.3-inch touchscreen on higher trims, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. There's also an available digital instrument cluster and a head-up display, which adds a premium touch that used to be reserved for luxury brands. Space is another area where the Rogue shines. You get plenty of headroom and legroom in both rows, and the cargo space is more than enough for everyday errands, road trips, or grocery runs. Nissan's divide and hide cargo system is a clever touch, letting you organize the trunk area in different ways to suit your needs. Safety is a priority for Nissan, and the 2025 Rogue comes standard with a full suite of driver assist features. This includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and lane keeping assist. Higher trims even offer Nissan's Pro Pilot Assist, which adds semi-autonomous driving features for added confidence on long drives. Pricing for the 2025 Rogue starts around $30,000 and climbs into the upper $30,000 range depending on the trim and options. While it faces stiff competition from the likes of the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Mazda CX-5, the Rogue holds its own with the well-rounded package that focuses on value, comfort, and efficiency. So, is the 2025 Nissan Rogue worth it? If you want a dependable, stylish, and feature-packed SUV without breaking the bank, it definitely deserves a spot on your test drive list. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a ride. See you in the next one.